Hello, good day, good afternoon, good morning. I'm here to show you how you can make income online using your smartphone. How you can use your smartphone. I said it that our smartphone is an ATM machine. I want to prove it to you. Look at just ordinary WhatsApp. You can make money from WhatsApp. Meta AI is here. We are in the era of digital era right now, and WhatsApp. Oh, sorry. What am I to say is AI is here to assist you to do online business and make income. Look at what I want to show you here. Meta AI can help you to search for anything. It's a search engine. You don't have to go to Google again. Look at what I just said here. There are many ways how to make income online. There are many ways to make income online, including freelancing, online tutoring, affiliate marketing, create and selling online courses. Can you see? This is drop shipping, survey and online research, creating and selling online business. The one I'm doing that I want to show to you that's helped, that's giving me financial freedom and time freedom, is creating and selling online business. Build a website or app and sell it on platform, or create a content, create a course. You can sell it. There are a lot of websites that you can sell your product, your digital product for free. Look at what I'm showing you now. I just discovered. I don't know this before. How you can search on your WhatsApp. Meta AI, everybody is having it. You have it, but you don't know the usefulness. Type anything. Let me just do this. How to make money online using smartphone. Just let me type how to make money online. You will see how to make money online. You will see the result in less than 1 minute. Look at it. Look at it. Freelancing, offer services. Can you see? That is Meta AI on your WhatsApp. On your WhatsApp is amazing. Your smartphone is actually an income making machine for you. But you have to learn. If you want to know how to sell online, or you are ready to start selling online, you want to sell digital programs online, I want to show you. I'm here to help you, to show you the one that has helped me to have financial freedom and not to be working 7 days a week anymore. I'm not working 7 days a week anymore. I chose the time that I work now, my 9 to 5 job. Like before, I do work 16 hours a day, but now I can decide not to go to work. That is type of job I'm doing now. That is why I'm here showing you this. You too can do it. DM me or type interested already in the comment section. I'll get you started. Follow me if you are not following me. Like this video and share. Thank you. Bye for now.